The pandemic has been especially tough for kids, teenagers, and their parents, but it's the support from parents that can help kids navigate life and the stresses of the year without seeing most of their friends and lacking social connection.
Connection is protection.
Dr. Rita Eichenstein says parents need to be kind to themselves and their kids.
I say that the mental health of children is significantly correlated to the well-being of their parents. But I hope that this allows parents to give yourself some slack, some self-compassion, and to say, you know what, we survived today. It wasn't perfect, but we survived. We are living in a global pandemic. And the word for you type A parents out there is just do the best you can.
Teenagers have it the hardest because they're at a pivotal moment in their lives.
Adolescents are wired to start to separate away from their parents, and that their social group creates their mental well-being. Kids have been robbed of that this year, and they know it. And so there's a lot more anger and feelings of being cheated. But it doesn't take away from the fact that they need social connection. So Instagram and TikTok are not social connection. They are the teens' ways of coping with their lack of social connection.
She says parents can be that connection with a kind and open approach.
Teens do not need you to fix anything. They need you to validate them and empathize and listen to them and feel validated. So try something like this. I can really understand why you're feeling like isolating, why you're feeling angry, why you're feeling depressed.
She says it's not always obvious your child is stressed out or depressed.
It's just putting attention on your child's mental well-being that's so important. So don't mistake a kid being hyperactive for a kid who's feeling good. Now look, they're jumping around, they look happy. Don't mistake it. If you actually speak with them, you might find something different. It might surprise you. And so these kinds of conversations are very important for families. And if they don't want to talk about it, at least they heard you. They heard that you understand. Be that parent that understands. Don't criticize them for being on their phone so much. It's a coping mechanism. We can worry about bad habits later.
And be aware if your child might need to talk to a therapist or a doctor.
Parents tend to veer on one or two extremes. On one extreme, oh, it's nothing. Another extreme is, oh, they're faking for attention. I would caution both types of denial as that. This is parental denial because they don't want to shake up their ship by having to bring one more factor into an already crisis-driven situation in their family.
If you or anyone in your family are struggling, there is lots of help available. Call 211 on your phone for free therapy services. Also, emergency services like paying for food and utilities. Lots of people are out of work right now. Rental assistance, much more. Again, the number to call in any local county is 211. And the websites for all of our 5 counties in Southern California is listed on our website, cbsla.com. Just click Seen on TV.